If you're looking for the best bikini trimmers, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Braun Silk Epil 9 Flex Epilator Beauty Set. The device is meant for multi-use, mainly for its epilation purposes. It's the world's first epilator with a fully flexible head. But the head can be swapped out to one of the multiple attachments, including the shave and trimmer attachment, Wilson says. The shave and trimmer attachment head turns the Braun Silk Epil 9 Flex Epilator into a fully functional shaver. The long hair trimmer comb, Dream lets you trim hair where preferred. It's perfect for grooming hair even in the most sensitive areas, such as underarms and bikini line, without red bumps or irritation. Moving on to the next at number 2, with Eeska 2-in-1 Lady Electric Bikini Shaver. If you want the versatility of being able to use it both wet and dry, then this one from ESKI is the best bikini trimmer for you. This versatile trimmer can be used practically anywhere on the face, arms, legs, body, armpits, and bikini line. To make the most of each spot, it comes with a facial hair removal head and body hair trimmer head. Ultra-thin foil delivers a close, comfortable shave with hypoallergenic stainless steel blades that gently glide over skin, minimizing irritation along the way. It won't leave any residue behind, so it's great for sensitive skin. The number 3 position is held by Brori Electric Bikini Trimmer for women, having trouble seeing those hard-to-reach spots in the shower. The Brori Electric Bikini Razor has built an LED light that illuminates even the finest hairs to ensure you'll get every last one. With 3 high-speed razor-sharp blades, it's made to tackle unwanted body hair not just on the bikini line, but also the arms, legs, back, and armpits. Safe for sensitive skin, it's hypoallergenic and painless. It can be used wet or dry and comes with detachable shaving heads. The included cleaning brush makes it a cinch to keep tidy. Next at number 4, we have Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle Moisturizing Razor. Everything you need for a perfectly trimmed bikini line is in the Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle Moisturizing Razor for women with bikini trimmer. The twofer includes both a standard 5-blade razor infused with a hydrating serum on one side to replace the skin's natural moisture and a waterproof trimmer with an adjustable comb on the other side. That's what makes this multitasker a great bikini razor. When they team up, you're left with super smooth skin, even if you decide to go for a Brazilian. It's designed to deliver an incredibly close shave without any nicks or cuts. The number 5 position is held by Philips Beauty BikiniGenie Cordless Bikini Trimmer. Cordless is key for travel. Whether you are planning a weekend getaway or a true vacation, no one needs to deal with an extra cord in their suitcase. Plus, this little guy is petite and light and runs on AA batteries. Since it's designed for the bikini area, the Philips Beauty BikiniGenie Cordless Bikini Trimmer for women can trim thicker hair without leaving damage behind, like cuts and irritation. It comes with all the accessories you need, including trimming combs, a mini shaver head, and a drawstring pouch to store everything in. A cinch to use, it works on wet or dry skin. For easy cleanup, it comes with a small brush. The number 6 position is dominated by Remington WPG4050 body and bikini grooming kit. Those itchy, red and angry red bumps are the worst, so anything that can prevent ingrown hairs deserves a prize for being one of the best bikini trimmers and razors. In addition to working as a trimmer for the bikini line, the Remington WPG4050 body and bikini grooming kit comes with an exfoliator attachment to prevent ingrown hairs. Another prevention plus is that the trimmer has a hypoallergenic angled foil shaver to deliver a smoother shave, leading to less redness and bumps. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Cleo Palmperfect Bikini Trimmer. At under $10, this is a great bikini trimmer if you're on a budget. To match your exact needs, the Cleo Palmperfect Bikini Trimmer comes with 2 blades, a precision blade for trimming fine and short hair, and a wide tooth blade for longer and thicker hair. The dual blade has rounded edges to make things comfortable while getting a trim, making it even more gentle and safe. It runs on 2 AA batteries, which are included. The number 8 position is held by Philips BikiniPerfect Advanced Women's Trimmer Kit. Sensitive skin is easily irritated, especially when we're talking about down there. That's why you'll want to opt for this Philips Bikini Shaver. Customization is key for preventing irritation, and this little guy is a precision comb for safety, along with a micro trimmer. A major bonus is that it's rechargeable for up to 60 minutes of cordless use. Next at number 9, we have Gillette Venus Bikini Precision Women's Trimmer. When you're landscaping your bikini line, there isn't a lot of room for error, so you'll want one of the best bikini trimmers and razors for precision. The petite size of the Gillette Venus Bikini Precision Women's Trimmer is an asset, as it allows you to get into all the tight spots. Designed to work safely and painlessly, no tugging or pinching. From every angle, it's super maneuverable, making it easy to use. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Remington WPG4050 Smooth and Silky Body Bikini 5-Piece Groomer Kit. When you're looking to trim more than just your bikini line, this multitasker is the answer. The Remington WPG4050 Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini 5-Piece Groomer Kit's wand is adept at providing a close shave for your bikini line, courtesy of the hypoallergenic stainless steel blades and the adjustable length that lets you choose from 3 options. It also comes with a facial hair trimmer, a foil shaver, plus a facial cleansing brush for exfoliation. In other words, it's basically the Swiss Army knife of hair removal. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.